you. Hey, ano na ka, Dems? Ano na ka na novice? Ano na ka, welcome to Ouch Palang. Diaspora, all over the 26. Ano na to all the friends going for the neck. Ano na to all the rugby players. To all the British Army families tuning in this morning. Ano na ka, bungon na radule kay nabubale, ano na ka bale, pinapalo besar pito kani, to Pita and the family. And also to all the Fijian celebrities all over the world. Beki mo ngol tu kata na tokla lo beki buru-bura. Beki mo ngol tu kata era bateri tule bo India lang beki mga bunuai. Na buli na ngande na kata se foi tiku tunde yanra ni matavinaka.
Mayroon tayo na Sema Politiko Mingo. Good morning to Levi Tamanalebu and the crew. They are tuning in from Blenheim, New Zealand.
Blame them.
Yeah, Blenheim in New Zealand this morning.
Yeah.
A very good morning to everyone. To all the mothers who are tuning in this morning, making breakfast maybe, or setting up the table for the kids to have breakfast and the whole family. Ini ang rabinaka. Binabalebu ng karabitabi.
John Kumar and all the crew from Brarabel in Singapore say Yarvinaka, Dolobina. And welcome to Ouch Palang Show. We keep the lead being Rabi and we basically taxi. The minivan drivers, all the loading boys, the bus drivers and all the passengers tuning this morning. Yarvinaka to you all.
All right, everybody joining this morning, we welcome you. We are fortunate enough so that we have another day.
Right.
Some of us, we are unfortunate, but we have to be careful of what we say, of what we think, or how we interact. Don't hurt someone's life.
Right.
Don't hurt someone's feeling.
Dina.
Be good to the people around you and love your neighbor, love the environment.
Love your enemy.
Love your enemy as you love yourself.
Dina Sara.
Love one another. Love elders, respect them, love everyone, because the way we love, the moment we live.
Take us back a few years ago, Demesi, while you went to the Tito Toka in downtown Suba, and you ended up in the hospital.
Yeah, that's a true story. The experience of my life.
Okay.
Of being...
Salah ko nelon.
What?
His
my soul
left
was
his
leave
body.
my body.
Departed.
I was departed. This truth. Andi nang ko.
Tell the story.
Isa, if that young boy is listening right now, maybe
He's a British Army now.
He's a British Army now. He's working in Tito Toka before.
Okay.
So maybe he's listening now in Cunningham. The people that women down there at Tito Toka, they said he's around.
Okay.
He about to leave. But I want to meet this fella. This fella took me to the hospital with another lady. I want to thank him, but I can return his
kindness.
Right.
Very grateful.
Kau cukilami.
Kau cukilami meto pemain na ninunu.
Ruben di koreta buah-buah. Sama tiga my birth and nama taga di kuaya Rubina ke Moabe. Kadirewa. Yan rena kwa.
I pray God umasula kana dorbo turanga. Sengabe una I don't have much thing. To give back to this fella, but I want you, Lord, to bless this fella in his future for helping me for the last breath I have to take me and tour me to the hospital.
Okay. Tell us the story while you're in the hospital.
Okay, how?
I was.
What happened to you?
I was knocked out. Because of the weather, and that time I was in single.
You singular. Singular back then.
So I went down to town after jobbing, not sleep nicely, sinimo de binaka, and I was about to go there to have a cup of tea. So I was my stomach too was empty. So I went down.
Only gravel inside.
I went down to tour with Tatina Moshi. Tatina Moshi now is in Manyawa. We go together. So when we reach Tito Toka, I can feel
something is wrong.
Something wrong with my everything.
The time is getting near.
So when I sit there, I look around. I see everybody there. I start to feel numb. Sabi ko sa sini ba kailan doon ka? So I bow my head down on the table.
Okay.
So I ask one woman there, please, could you please just give me a cup of water? I want to drink water. When I drink water,
boil water.
Boil water me na.
Come on, esophagus.
I want to taste and I want to check how if the water is applicable to my zesty.
Yeah.
So I can't do anything.
Yeah.
I just stand there and stare.
Yeah.
So when I stare, my mind and my eyes are not working together.
Right.
Different direction.
Iya, sa right ko na matang ko naman ko kasama sa sinitoy ka.
Yeah. Sa. Amo lang
So-
sir nga.
They saw me, hey, this boy is not like this.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with him.
Yeah.
So the people was wondering what's wrong with me. So me, I was wondering what's wrong with them. I want to know why are you stare at me?
Yeah.
So when they touch me, they touch my hand. It feel cold, and see the blood is not moving. It's like white and yellow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sarla rin na kulniya mo.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
said, took them to the hospital. Took this fella to the hospital.
Yeah.
This fella is about to.
Oh, you dehydrated maybe.
Not dehydrated.
Yes.
Yeah.
When they saw me, sapa kami sa linggong ko may nalingang ko
Yeah.
I start to cripple myself.
Yeah.
Kunin rin ko talon din. Iyo.
Carry on. Davis.
So when I start to cripple,
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. So they bring one ka.
Yeah.
Durmaya na tulaw imur ko na dokal tikanaben.
Right.
So they took me to the hospital. When I go to the hospital, I don't know anything.
Yeah.
I'm class.
Yeah.
हमार देमेस क्लास इवाला जाओ हॉस्पिटल में CWM hospital emergency. When I reached the emergency, so that the doctor said, hey, when they touch my everything,
Yes.
Yeah.
nalingan ko,
Yeah.
setarang lingan ko, sampai mata,
Yeah.
hurry up, took me to the bed, and they slide the bed. Korang tamu me
Yes.
main ada kungkui mu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They run.
And they give you the saliva.
Salah banget, sorry.
They pump you.
Yeah. They took me to the hospital and they hurry.
Yeah.
So the one who took me together, Emosi, in Maniaba, they was like this. He was crying when the doctor said,
Yeah.
hurry, this one. And they took the, what you call the, kondom bimbu, me,
Pamu.
hijack taken.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Generator.
Yes.
Generator now, the medicine. They put here.
Yeah.
They put me to boom.
Yeah.
Mungkin dah.
Yeah.
I can't feel anything because they want me to talk.
Yeah.
Because when they press my name is Ndemesi Kakaya on my birth certificate.
Right.
So my real name is Ndemis Kakaya.
Yeah.
So when they press Ndemis Kakaya, Mosi said Ndemis Kakaya. They didn't appear. The name is don't appear. Only Ndemis Kakaya here.
Okay.
So they want to know the date of birth.
Who's this
so
lying
that-
here?
Yeah.
Who's this fella?
Yeah. Who's this
Why
one?
he is here?
Yeah.
So, that's the only reason why they want to
Because
revive
they
you
want
back
to
for your
know
name.
Yeah.
my name and my birth certificate because they want to know my history.
Okay.
If I'm allergic to any...
Right. Paracetamol.
Yeah. So they took me. They check everything. One hijack. Boof. Mungkin dah. Can you please talk?
Yeah.
What's your name? My name Demis.
Oi.
Who? Don't total. Bu, another bu.
Yeah.
Bu, kakaya. Like that till my date of birth finish. Oh, he's right. Until then, I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
I'm sleeping, I don't know anything. So while sleeping, sa pakang ko kinta may sa TV na yawa.
Yeah. I mean,
Oyaw sa
police-
kilato ngayon, oyaw sa haleng, oyaw sa kadibi, oyaw sa amat.
Right.
Yeah.
Before then,
Yeah.
my soul leave the Suba City. Aw sa pakang doon na long satu-satu menakor.
Yeah.
This is a true story, no?
Oh.
My soul going to the village, see my mom, see the people playing touch there
Yeah.
in the afternoon. This happening at around 3 to 4 o'clock in
Right.
the afternoon.
Di na
So
sana.
they playing touch.
This is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
I'm finished.
Yeah.
So from then I was close my eyes. I close my eyes. Then I smell the hospital smell.
Yeah.
Kung yung bunyi-bunyi mate. Like the paracetamol and everything.
Yes.
I smell. Ako sa kilasartung, ako sa tungko na mochuri. From there I close my eyes. Ako sa kay bakaya mo butunin tamo na mutaran. Meu biya bakila uti kundi na mochuri siya nga mutaran na na ice.
Yeah.
Mutaran na ice. O tara mo na butunin tamo da boy. Como non tamo tu kira kunin ren.
Gaya namanya sa tila man
Oh,
materi.
na teke.
Gaya lo ka tu.
Au tatara bango baka usini sua. I still close my eyes. I close my eyes. Another thing I want to try, if I'm alive or not. Simbol, so yung nalong ko siya yung. So I close my eyes.
Confused, eh?
Iyo. I close my eyes. Ausang kayo sa ngamut, nreta may nandoan na nalingan ko. Nukatia. Ngukatia kaya kaya mosi, ayaw simbula. Au katia. Oh iya mosi.
Bapak ka dun may dok. Kere eyes.
And now remember Mosi was still standing there beside me. And one of my tabale or Canada tabale Marika now is in Dawandingo. They was watching me. Hey, Lewe. Asgeng tabale Lewe. Rabi Lewe. What's wrong with you? I don't know. I ask them who brought me here. Who brought me here? Iyo, oya usa sulia na nungu taleboni na nungu bega usa tatau berte be ko ba ko tiao mosi. Awas ngong kali sulia ngoi vale. Usa loloma bimbi before I go to the hospital. Usa tatau boso tiao ngali bakan tiao tak ke ba usa bakan tiao ngo be irke de ba mosi na lonra. Au kere boso tibera. Ngai boso tiao.
Right.
Au usa sinu kila I will be.
Bobolag sara. Bobolag sara.
I'll finish.
From
the lesson learned, I learned.
Yes, a very big lesson, eh?
Masu besinga.
Right.
Masu besinga, be careful of your life, of whatever you do, sleep at the right time.
Be careful of how you treat other people.
Dina sar.
Right.
Kaya ka wala ka kaya siya ngayon ko sininto ang baka numuli sumay.
Abalu te aloka. Iyo, anda may bibi walita tungo eh. So talaga lang duro may erle ko masarangan ng batin bulong-bulo eh. Iya, awas lucky na thanks for give another chance.
You have a purpose, eh?
Yeah, we have another purpose. Sa ubang ni binaka weekenda. It's not about laughing. It's about lesson learned too. Everybody out there. Sa sombe kaya sin yado weekenda. Lebu tu nang unisala ni non tamo mentalesu.
Right.
So we have another chance of life. Thankful to everyone joining this morning. Kunindrende. Kunindrende.
Memang godok eh. Arto sa kilangan na arto bijugo ta.
Orang pop te godok pala.
Koko mau lusil beli basa. Woi, sekali. Ada benak.
Seraya baki indile anangia, ya ada benak lomi. Tamani hijack serena. Teka na batu di aya di membi seremu.
Fama boy, tutua Stefano. Rambula. Boy asini raw. Umantanga nang ngono sa kine orto tama mo tinemo orto check timelo may buna. Ni sorong odi ni usatin pa.
Iya.
Ay.
Tapi mereka rini buna.
Boy.
What do you think is the cause of that breakdown?
Usap ngelo malang.
Hah?
Ani binakanga. Nakalunga pe pambuleka.
Ade ko ela tirau.
Sa anggel tal tunggo sa set tal tuboy ko.
Ni sa tukuna berto mai o te ang gitarong irtona.
Iya.
Na iko ba isulu ka tunggo na singa ka? Na isulu e dom bato ya indo nusar tunga. Ni usali lisumina Cornelo. Osa matarati ko. Boy.
Ya bila kami kebrero kan dari talo membeleti dems na non robi tal bate kinelona. En me individu di tito to kan dono ngono kena mani rto na tubuta kemena ngone. Rto tako semain na tulo wakid. Iki atu ilu na tito kina ilu na tito to kana bunua. E ado kina na italongo tigu bumeka. No kan talente veli le tini sara na ndabo. E na balimbula le besuba. Mataka ke setaka hat bate kena num like.